My name is Marilyn Quinn. I'm president of the New Brunswick Nurses Union. I'm very proud to be a registered nurse. The New Brunswick Nurses Union represents over 6,200 registered nurses in this province. We're very aware of the shortage that exists within nursing, across this country, and here in our own province. The objective of this video is to encourage young men and young women to consider a career in nursing. We believe that nursing can provide a challenging, demanding, exciting career option. For those who choose it, they'll have the opportunity to grow personally and professionally, and they'll have the opportunity to make a difference in the lives of other people every day.
A career as a registered nurse is about personal and professional rewards. It's about security and respect. It's about a life choice to help others by using your skills that blend medical knowledge with compassion and caring.
Nurses are extremely important in healthcare. When there are less nurses in the system, research shows that patients don't do as well. When registered nurses are in the system, the research shows that the patient does better. They keep the system together.
I think nurses are the foundation of the entire healthcare system. They're what holds the system together, no question in my mind.
Registered nurses work closely with other healthcare professionals.
I think that the nurses has a big impact on the patient's care. Like everybody in the multi-professional system, you know what I mean? There's no doubt that a good nurse could mean really that the patient will leave the hospital days before the necessary time. Without them, it would be impossible to practice medicine in a hospital setting.
We need nurses. Nurses are needed everywhere. You can work any place in this world, I'm sure. We need nurses.
Today, registered nurses practice in a range of environments, such as hospitals, government, communities, and corporations. Depending on your interests and strengths, there's practically no limit to where the profession can take you. In New Brunswick, across the country, and around the world, the demand for registered nurses is very high. This translates into numerous possibilities, worthwhile salaries, and sound benefits for people joining the profession.
Nursing is technically a career that will take you anywhere in the world and anywhere you would like to go.
You can work in the community, you can work in an intensive care unit, you can work out in the field.
The one nice thing about being a nurse is that you can change your career over and over again without ever leaving your profession.
Becoming a nurse opened a lot of opportunities for me. When I was accepted into nursing, I was excited. Nursing can be demanding, challenging, but overall worth it.
The scope of practice is huge. I can work, if I choose to, in basically any department that I'd like to in a hospital.
It has great opportunities. You can do so much. You can help people in so many different ways. You can come back and work in the community. There's lots of opportunities. We need Native nurses to work with our people.
Nursing attracted me because of the different opportunities that it offered. I knew that being a nurse, that I wasn't only able to work in a hospital. I knew I could go into different fields like community health or public health or even management positions.
Nurses with further education can decide to be nurse practitioners, clinicians, nurse researchers. The opportunities are limitless for nurses today.
It takes a special kind of person to become a registered nurse. You need to be determined, intelligent, and caring. But above all, you have to want to make a difference in people's lives.
Registered nurses, I think, offer a sense of security to the public. When they are aware that there's a registered nurse amongst them, they have this sense of security. They feel very, very good about that. People respect us enormously.
Nursing is about caring for people and supporting people and helping people.
It takes a special kind of person to be a nurse. You need skills, you need to be educated, you have to have caring, you need to be devoted.
You really have to look at yourself and really get to know yourself and know your values, know your beliefs, know your strengths.
It's exciting, it's challenging, it's compassionate, and it's emotional. If you're somebody that's up for all those changes, diversity and the ability to change your job so much and stay in your same profession, then you should be a nurse.
In today's diversified healthcare system, more and more men are joining the nursing profession.
My advice for any males that would be going into nursing, take a look and realize what nursing is. Do some research, take some time to get to know male nurses, and really take a look at the role of nurse because it's changed so much.
Being male, being a nurse, it's, for me, there is no bar there, there is no cloak there. It's a profession that you do. It's a profession that comes from your heart. It's a profession that really has no gender.
We believe we need to encourage more young men to choose nursing as a career. Today we have small numbers of men who've chosen it. For those who have chosen the career, they've been delighted in their decision. And we believe for those people who will choose it as a serious career option, they won't regret that choice.
I'm very proud of my career choice, and I'm very proud to be becoming a nurse.
There is no doubt that registered nurses have an exciting and challenging role in today's healthcare system. And if you're willing to do what it takes, the rewards will be substantial.
I like the feeling of the adrenaline in the emergency situation in intensive care, or just being there for, giving a helping hand.
Every day I feel like a hero, knowing that I did good with my clients. And they come in with a frown, then they leave with a smile.
I get back as much as I give with this profession.
Yeah, I have felt like a hero sometimes. Like I said, I really have left feeling like I know I made a difference.
And you feel like you've helped someone, you know you made a difference in someone's life.
First time I really helped somebody was a sense of accomplishment that I had never felt before.
It's hard to explain in words the feeling that you get from that hug and that thank you after you've just helped someone.
Are you ready to make a difference in someone's life every day? To help people get and feel better? If so, consider becoming a registered nurse. For more information on becoming a registered nurse, talk to a nurse in your area or a guidance counselor today, or visit nbnu.ca. Maybe someday you'll say,
I'm proud to be a registered nurse.
I'm very proud to be a nurse.
I'm proud to be a nurse.
I'm proud to be a registered nurse.
I'm very proud to be a registered nurse.
Choose a career in caring. Choose a career in nursing. This short film was produced by the New Brunswick Nurses Union.